One of the beautiful things which I witnessed this morning of the nature, a mother turtle which has come already to the beach, probably dug the hole, laid the eggs and going back to the sea, slowly as ever. Not many people were there, only I witnessed it. And she would never come back to collect the little ones. I was a bit worried because she had gone in between two boats that was on the beach. And I was wondering whether the fishermen will see the footprints, and generally what happens is some of these people dig these holes and dig for the eggs, the turtle eggs to be sold for human consumption. I was a bit worried. But the mother turtle trusts the nature. She comes early in the mornings, probably around about 5 o'clock, 5:30, dig the hole and they laid the eggs, and then she returned back. And she would never come back again. She trusts the nature, the Mother Earth, to hatch the eggs for her. And once the eggs are hatched, the little ones can come out and they can come back to the sea. That's what is really what the Mother Nature does for the Mother Turtle. Mother Turtle trusts the nature, the earth, the soil, which hides her eggs and hatch the eggs and thereafter enable the little ones to come. She explicitly trusts the nature, the ecosystem. But ladies and gentlemen, as I was worried, because the humans are changed. They are vigorously ambitious to take what is not theirs. The earth is polluted, robbed and stolen. And the ecosystem is also messed up with. There is no cohabitation, coexistence, collaborations prevailing. Even if you see today's worldly leaders and the whole countries, far from it. Whom do we trust? Like this mother turtle, trust the beach and expect the Mother Earth to protect the little ones, the eggs, and hatch them and enable the little ones to come out. Today, even the environment is messed up with. We cannot trust the environment. Leave alone humans, we cannot trust. The environment, which was solid as ever, that protects us all the time, is also messed up. In a status like that, whom do we trust? Today, the word trust has become a real challenging thing to every one of us. The cohabitation, coexistence is far from human lives. This Mother Nature is messed up. As the mother turtle came and laid the eggs and expected the Mother Earth to take care of the eggs and expected the Mother Earth to hatch the eggs for her, can we trust the systems, the society, the fabric, the whole ecosystem that will bring us life, bring us enrichment for our own journeys? Ladies and gentlemen, you and I have a responsibility to protect the environment where we are in, particularly this nature, the Mother Nature, the trees, the plants, the entire fabric of the earth has to be protected by us. These are people whom we can trust, who can protect it. And if you protect the nature will indeed in return protect you and me.